Hi guys, today I'm making the famous Turkish Ramadan Pide. It's a traditional bread. People usually eat this on Ramadan, but there is no restriction when it comes to when you can eat this. You can eat it anytime. It's nice and easy. It's delicious. I'll show you step by step how to cook it. So stay tuned so you know exactly from A to Z how to make this delicious bread. We have the dough here. It's already risen. So what I did to the dough, I had to activate the yeast in the warm water I had. In the flour, I added the salt. I gave it a nice mix. As soon as the yeast was activated, I added the yeast to the flour. I gave it a nice mix. And then before I started kneading it, I added the oil. After about 5-10 minutes of kneading, I set it on the side for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is ready to be flattened and baked. After I put some flour on the top here, I'm going to separate this into 2 equal portions. Now I will work with one at a time. And basically you just need to give it a good shape, around 1 inch thick, nice and round. Make sure the thickness is even all around the bread. And I think that's about it. Now I'm going to start giving it a shape. I have here a bit of water and a bit of flour. And then with this I'm going to just give the bread a nice shape. I will do it again after it sits for about 10 minutes. Alright, so on the tray, to prevent the sticking, I have to add a bit of semolina flour. You can just use a baking sheet. It's completely up to you. I'm adding semolina flour today in here. And that's enough. Transfer the bread onto the tray. So I'm going to do that. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to let this sit here and rise for another 10 minutes. After that, we're going to add the topping. Cover this with a wet cloth and then let it sit for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add here 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it well. And this is going to go on top of the bread before getting it into the oven. So it's been 10 minutes already. It is risen for the second time. Give the shape again. Okay, so I'm going to brush it with a cooking brush. We're going to add this nicely all over. Make sure you don't press too hard. So this is done. I'm going to add now sesame seeds. If you have nigella seeds, you can add them as well. That's usually the ideal. I don't have them today, so I'm just going to add the sesame seeds. I'm going to put this into the oven. The oven has to be preheated at 230 degrees Celsius, and it's going to stay in the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the bread is ready. It looks beautiful. It looks nice and golden. This is exactly how the bread should look. The color is perfect. So guys, this was my take on Turkish Ramadan Pide. It was really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you will try it for yourself. And why not? You should subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Bye bye.